Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the account and phone number so backups map to the correct profile. Next, make sure you're on a reliable Wi-Fi network and the device has sufficient charge. This prevents interruption. Once done, open WhatsApp Business, tap Settings, then Chats, then Chat Backup to reveal options. You're initiating the process now because a clean preparatory state reduces failed uploads and mismatches when restoring later. This is practical housekeeping rather than optional. You now choose where your backup lives and why that matters for restores. First, link your Google Drive or iCloud account. Without that link, there's nowhere to store chat histories. Then pick a frequency, daily, weekly, or monthly, so you balance storage and data usage. Make sure to toggle media inclusion if you want photos and videos saved. They greatly increase size. Lastly, decide if you permit cellular uploads. If you enable them, you accept potential data costs, so weigh convenience against expense. You finish by initiating the manual backup and confirming success. Tap Backup and watch the progress indicator until it reaches 100%. This confirms the full archive uploaded. Once completed, verify the timestamp and file size so you know the latest snapshot is safe. If something goes wrong, first recheck cloud account sign-in and available storage, then confirm Wi-Fi stability and retry. A common quick fix is signing out and back into the cloud service or freeing up space before attempting again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.